Hi guys, welcome to the session. Let's solve the question which I have written on the whiteboard. Coordinates of A and B are given. We need to find the length of AB and also on what ratio the line is joining AB if it divides on x-axis. So given a point A is minus 4, 3 and point B is 8, minus 6. So let these points as x1, y1 and x2, y2. First we need to find the length of AB. To find the length of AB, we need to find the distance between 2 points. So just use distance formula and find the length of AB. The distance formula is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Substitute x1, y1 and x2, y2 values. So if we substitute that, we'll get 8 minus of minus 4 whole square plus minus 6 minus 3 whole square. So minus of minus 4 will be plus 4. So 8 plus 4 is 12. So 12 square plus minus 9 whole square. 12 square is 144 and 9 square minus 9 square is plus 81. So we'll get square root of 225. Square root of 225 is 15. So we can conclude that the length of AB is 15 units. Now find in what ratio the line is joining AB if it divides by the x-axis. So if the point divides on x-axis, that point will be like x, 0 because the y coordinate will be 0 if it divides on x-axis. So on x-axis y coordinate will be 0. And write down the given points again, which is minus 4, 3 and 8, minus 6. Now use the formula which involves the ratio and the point, the coordinates of AB. So the coordinate x, a formula can be written as m into x2 plus n into x1 divided by m plus n, and y is equals to m into y2 plus n into y1 divided by m plus n. So here m and n. So m is to n. M to n is the ratio of the line joining AB. So just substitute the given points where x1, x2, y1, y2 values are given. So just substitute that, and also on x-axis the point will be x, 0. So substitute that as well. So we'll get x is equals to 8m minus of 4n divided by m plus 1. So at y coordinate will be 0 on x-axis. So 0 is equals to m into y2 value is minus 6 plus n into y1 value is 3 divided by m plus 1. So if you move that m plus n to left hand side, we'll get 0 again. So because 0 times of m plus n is 0, so 0 is equals to minus 6m plus 3n. So 6m is equals to 3n and m by n is equals to 3 by 6. So 3 by 6 can be simplified as 1 by 2. So the ratio of the line joining AB is m to n, which is 1 to 2. So the ratio is 1 to 2. I hope you understand this question. Thanks for watching.